Well, we took 291 pictures on Sunday, and I made a selection of my favorite 30 images, and I'm just gonna show you how I select the final 4, and then which one I selected as my favorite one. So this is one of the ones that I like, and what I like about this picture is that you can read the word love on the back. This one was the behind the scenes image. This one is fine, she's in focus, but I don't know, the depth of field is not too shallow, so I don't particularly like it, but she's in focus. Her face and foot, one of her foot is in focus. This one the same thing, is nice, is cute, but I don't know. This one is fine too. This one is cute, her face is in focus, but she's not looking at the camera. This one looks like she's dancing, which is cute too, and she's in focus. Her face is in focus. This one is cute too, but This one is also cute. More cuteness. This one I like it because it looks like she's doing some yoga here. So she's like concentrating, doing some yoga. This one is cute because she's looking at the camera and she is in focus. Not 100% in focus, but she's pretty much in focus. This one is cute too. This one is very cute, but you can see Kelsey's hand there, but I did a crop, but she's just not looking at the camera. So now this is a very good image. The problem with this image are two. First of all, you can't see her entire body, and one of the purposes of this portrait is to show how she's growing. But it's a cute picture, and her face is not 100% in focus. Her left ear is in focus, and her right eye is kind of in focus. But still, overall, I think the composition is a good image. This is another behind the scenes. Very cute. This one I like because you can see the heart very well, and she is in focus most of her body. The problem is she's not looking at the camera. So same thing with this image, kind of the same reason why I like it. And same with this one, and this is also very good, a very good image because she is in focus and she's looking at the camera, and you can kind of see her entire body, so that's a really good image. Another cute image, more cuteness, and that's very cute, but you know, we're not gonna pick this one. You can always see her face. This one more cuteness. She's smiling. She's giving us her tongue. Another kind of behind the scenes. She's looking at her mom. And this one is cute. Very cute image. And now in this one, she's looking at the camera. Same image. Now you can see her feet, and this one they're a little bit cropped. So this one is a very nice image. It's just a little too busy, but it's a nice image. And this one is very cute because you can read Wanderlust, and she's looking at the camera, she's smiling, and she's in focus. Alright, so I'm gonna show you my favorite 4, which are this one. Again, she's not her eyes are not completely in focus, but you know, her right eye is a little bit in focus. I like the light on the left side of her face, and that you can see the heart. the full heart. This is the other one where the heart is cropped, but you can see her entire body, and she's kind of looking at the camera, and she's in focus. So I like this image a lot. And this one is very cute. She's looking at the camera. She's a little bit squished here. She's looks a little uncomfortable, but it's busy. It's a little busy for me. There's so many things going on, so many elements that take the attention out of her, especially that unicorn over there. But that's a very good image. I like it a lot. And then this one is very cute because she's looking at the camera. She's smiling. It's just there is something that I'm not crazy about. I think it's probably the perspective of the camera looking down a bit, and I kind of don't like that. So I think we are going to go with this one as the final image. I know that her body's not showing completely, but she didn't change a lot from month 2 to month 3, and it's just overall I like the composition. It's busy, but it's not too busy, and she's looking at the camera, and her eyes are not perfectly in focus, but most people will think it's in focus because most people will probably see this picture on their phones. And I think this is the official portrait that we're gonna go with for Hazel's 3rd month anniversary. All right, thank you. See ya.